Today we're going on a walk, hopefully to see a lot of things in nature. It's a kind of a nice day for a walk because it's pretty clear and sunny. There aren't, up in the sky, there are some clouds. See the clouds, but the sky is blue. I see mostly grass. Now I'm coming to, well, there are some leaves on this rose bush. It's not a tree. There are some leaves on the hedges. Here's some flowers, right? Another hedge. And here's a flowering tree. There's a few more flowering trees with little flowers. They're like the flowering trees in the small playground. Here's a big sycamore tree. The bark is different. The bark is nice and rough and bumpy. It's a big tree, but no leaves. Some more grass. And there's some weeping kind of bushes over there. Oh, and there's a very pretty pink flowering tree. Some cars, some more grass. And here is a flowering tree with something a little bit different. It has some eggs coming out of it. There are some eggs, because I guess it was decorated with some eggs. And there's a little bunny flag, cute, and some purple flowers. Up there's some rocks at the bottom of that planter stand. See all the rocks there? Different size rocks. And here we have some more purple flowers. They're like a ground covering flower, see? They cover a lot of the ground over here. Here's some bushes. Oh, there's some birds. Can you see the birds? They're walking. Can you see the birds walking? They're mourning doves, I think. Oh, one of them flew away. The other one is still there. Still by the hose. You see it by the hose there? That's a mourning dove. Oh, and there it goes, flying away. It actually is bamboo growing. It's a big barrier of bamboo. Up, and look here. We have some brown leaves. Brown leaves, which were on our list. Look at that. There's some brown leaves. Oh, and here's some dandelions and purple flowers. Right? See a nice, pretty pink flowering tree. Very nice. Some grass. Some more trees. Now the trees, here the trees, that tree over there, it's starting to bud. But the leaves aren't very big, but they are leaves. Maybe we'll walk closer and see. The little leaves, but it is starting to bud. Yep, little leaves. Little leaves, like that, starting to bud. The leaves are kind of maroon or red. You can see that. Maroon or red. And here's another tree we're coming on. There's another big tree, but it's not quite budded yet. But that's another big fat tree trunk with a different kind of bark than the sycamore. This could be oak, maybe. That bark is quite interesting. there's a pinwheel over there. Can you see the pinwheel going around and around? Here's things ready to grow. See, there are things ready to grow. And here's some dirt. Some dirt. That there's nothing planted right there, but there's a lot of other things that are going to grow. Flowers and stuff. All starting to flower. Right? And here's another kind of different bush. Tree, evergreen. A nice big black rock. What do you think about that? And it looks like it's kind of rough. It has kind of, it's bumpy and rough. A little gnome in the garden with some daffodils. Lot of flowers. Look at all those beautiful flowers. See all those beautiful flowers? Wow. Nice flowers. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to turn off the video now because I can't seem to find any spider webs or ants or bugs or ferns. So I hope you've enjoyed our little nature walk. You can do this anytime as long as you have an adult with you. Okay, bye guys and girls.